Lily, enough! This is nonsense. Writing stories won't help you in life.
Dad, please.
Go outside and wash my car, right now.
Wow! A bicycle! A real bicycle! This is the best birthday ever!
Happy birthday, sweetheart! We love you so much!
Good morning, everyone.
Oh, morning, Lily. Your breakfast is on the table.
Thank you, Mom. My brother got a new bicycle, and I got bread and water.
What are you doing? Writing again?
I'm writing a story.
That's so boring, Lily. Nobody reads stories. Mom, you are the best cook in the world.
Eat well, Max. You have football practice today. You need to be strong. Strong.
Mom, can I have one egg, please?
There are no more eggs, Lily. Eat your bread. You will be fine.
Okay, Mom. Dad! Dad! I have a school concert today. I am going to play the piano. Please come and watch me.
A concert? What time?
At 4 o'clock. I practiced every day, Dad. I really want you to hear me play.
4 o'clock. That is the same time as Max's football match. I'm sorry, Lily. Max's match is very important.
But Dad, my concert is important too.
Next time, Lily. I promise.
Go, Max! You've got this! Take the shot! Yes! That's it!
It is okay. I played well. I know I played well. Dad, I wrote these myself. Please read just one story. It will only take a minute.
Lily, enough! This is nonsense. Writing stories won't help you in life.
Please.
Go outside and wash my car, right now.
Okay, Dad. It is okay. I can do this. I am strong.
Lily, I found your notebook yesterday. I read your stories.
They're just stories. They aren't very good.
Lily, your stories are beautiful. I want to send your story to a national writing competition.
A competition? What if I lose?
Lily, you can do this.
I believe in you.
Trust yourself. Oh my goodness. Lily, come downstairs, quickly!
Mom?
What happened? Read it.
I won?
You won, Lily. My daughter won.
I was wrong. I didn't see how special you are. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Dad.
No, it wasn't okay. But you never gave up. I'm proud of you, Lily. We love you, Lily.
We're so proud of you.